Okay, we can do this a whole bunch of different ways. And what's the way that you decided to solve this one? You can just plug everything in the equation and go, right? Again, the other way you can do it, like you can just say, well, that's plus 1d plus 2d plus 3d plus 4d. But I'm going to use just write the equation. It might as well. So I'm going to say that Tn equals A equals N equals and D equals. And then Tn equals A plus N minus 1d. Okay. Sabrina, can you give me everything on the left-hand side if you're so brave? Is what? Tn, good. Because remember, that's our last term. Right, our last term is going to be Tn. Keep going. Good? Good. And then D is question. Okay. Once you have your D, then you can just make the rest of the sequence. Arden, go ahead. Can sub some numbers, please? Yeah, and again, so just n minus 1 is 5, so 5 minus 1, which is just 4d. All right, Maddie, how you feeling? Can we solve for d, please? Perfect. 88 is 4d, and then divided by 4, d equals 22. Okay, so here's the thing. D is 22, wonderful. The question says it has to, I want 3 numbers. I think we're going all the way up the front. The front hasn't had it. You got to pass it up, Lucy. The front hasn't had it. Okay, you don't want it. Too bad, Narcisse. D is 22. What does D mean in English? What does D represent? Stop. Yeah, what does that mean? Yeah, so basically it's going to be what you're adding to each term. So all we're going to do is we're going to start with 6. Narcisse, you're not done yet. What's my next term going to be then? 28, right? All we're doing is you're adding 22. Jenna, next is 50. Garnet, next one is 72. And that's all there is to the sequence, right? Now again, there's a whole bunch of different ways you can solve this. That's just me using the equation. That's just me using the equation, okay, for that. But again, the way on my solution, another way you can do it is just think there's a whole bunch of different ways. Okay, I'm going to throw 2 more examples on the board. This one I want you to think about. This is example 5. It says, if T8 equals 5 and T11 equals 89, find T40, assuming this is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, I'm going to hit pause or stop on the video. Give you guys a chance. This one is the most difficult one of the day. Please put a star and a heart beside this question, because this will be on your test and your final exam.